Unfortunately, I don't think I can get my face, so bear with me, but this is, maybe if I step just a little bit, you'll be able to see it a little bit more, but here it is. You can always follow me on my other social medias. I'll put it somewhere up here so that you could see better pictures of this outfit, but I'm very proud of it. Let me know what you think. Woo. But here it is. Hi and welcome. If you are new here, my name is Melissa and I love to sew. Therefore, I upload sewing related videos like this one, and if you happen to like this video, watch some of my other videos, and eventually I hope you subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Now, if you are a returning subscriber, welcome to the very first ever collaboration video here on YouTube. I actually went ahead and teamed up with Heather. Her YouTube channel name is Textile Tailored Thoughts, so go check out her outfit as well. We teamed up for the hashtag sewtwinning, and we went ahead and sewed McCalls M7910, and I have this view on. And before I even talk about it, I do have a pin here because it's too open, but I can't sew it because if I sew it, then I won't be able to get in and out of it unless I do like a side zipper, and I'm not about to do all that. But I mean, I just don't have the proper bra for this outfit yet. So we shall see how tomorrow goes. I'm not going to say which view Heather sewed. You have to go check her video out. Yes, I will be putting pictures of both of our makes in my video, but still go and show her some love because this was really fun and we were both extremely excited, especially for the theme. So we did the whole sew twinning hashtag, and the theme is obviously New Year. So it's very exciting, not only because this is my first collaboration, but also because I wanted to start the year off right sewing, and I could not think of a better way than with Heather and this awesome collaboration and this hashtag, which is awesome. So let's go ahead and get into this pattern. I went ahead and used this fabric. I will have the fabric names down below. One of these I don't have the name for. I forgot to take a picture and I need it so that I can add it to my swatch book. So give me a couple days and I'll go ahead and add it to the description box, okay? But I went ahead and sewed views 1 and 4, which is this one, and I like outfits like this. I like it to be tight. That's the view that I went for, and this pattern was actually very easy. I really enjoyed sewing it. In the beginning, the only hard part was learning to read the tissue paper. Usually it's like pattern piece A for view A, pattern piece 2 or something like that. This one wasn't like that, but the nice thing is that the bodice is only two pattern pieces cut out 4 times so that it has a lining. I did use a lining, but I don't know the name of it simply because this is the pink fabric that I purchased at Savers, which is this one. It ended up working very nicely, so I do like it. I am 5 foot tall, therefore I shortened this. I do have sloped shoulders, so I took in about 1.5 inches to 2 inches, and all I did was do a blind stitch. So I folded it over and I continued doing the blind stitch. And then for the pants, I actually had to take them in from the legs. So I did cut up and sew a size 14, but I think I could have gone down to a size 12, maybe even a 10 for the pants. The bodice, I feel that it fits me very nice, very comfortable. This part is the only part, like I said, the shoulder parts, but once I fix that, everything else kind of just lifted a little bit higher, which is nice because I do have a high waist and it just fits at my natural waist. So I mean, I like it. Was this an easy pattern? Yeah, it was pretty easy. I will be sewing this pattern again because I do like it. I like the fabric. Not only do I like the fabric choices that I used for it this time around, but I can see it. I can see the different versions sewn different ways. So I am very excited to sew it. I did make a mistake, and originally I was gonna use this one for the pants. Isn't this so pretty? This is I will put the name of this one down below, but I was really excited for, because I thought this together just looked so pretty. But unfortunately, this is non-stretch. This one is a lot more comfortable too, but because it's so stretchy, it's a two-way stretch, I did have to take this in a lot on the side seams, on the inner seams, on the crotch. I had to take it in a lot, but it was totally worth it. I'm very very happy with the final look. But yeah, I don't know what else to say. This is my first collaboration. I don't even know how long this video is supposed to be. I'm just talking about the pattern, you know. Heather has a really cute, colorful type of vibe going on with her jumpsuit. Super cute. So let me go ahead and finish this off. I just want to say thank you to Heather for asking me to collaborate with her. I also wanted to go ahead and say thank you to everybody this year for watching my videos, subscribing to my channel. I am almost at 800 subscribers, which is exciting. I hope I get to 1,000 subscribers very soon. I hope everybody has an amazing 2020, and I hope you spend it well with your family, friends, loved ones, at the club, wherever it is you're gonna go. I hope you're safe, and I hope you have a good time. If this year of 2019 was rough, heavy, patchy, whatever it is, remember that it is only 1 year of your life. Time keeps going, time keeps moving, and you get to have the opportunity to keep going. Therefore, I hope 2020 is an amazing year for you, and I hope it's full of rewards that anybody has been waiting for. If your 2019 was bomb, if it was great, if it was one of the most successful years that you've had, may you continue to have all the blessings of the world for 2020. You know, this world is so big and everyone is allowed to win. But yeah, thank you guys again so much for watching. Make sure to make it a great day, week, and month so that you could have a great year, okay? Thank you guys so much. Bye.